The other thing is just really emphasizing the principle here, right? Because this same principle plays itself out in a number of scenarios. I see people who don't invest in purchasing products wholesale because of the larger inventory that they're going to have to purchase and invest in upfront, and this could be thousands and thousands of dollars. So what do as an alternative is they go to the grocery store and they purchase things retail, but once again, you're not getting the benefit because you are going to be losing that margin that you would have been making, which is really where you're making most of your money on your food and product costs anyway, is through the wholesale process. And so overall, really think about the long-term implications of the decisions that you make in the short term, and when you even span out and do your financial projections and really do the estimations and say, okay, what you may realize is that $10,000 that you were planning or trying to save on that industrial hydraulic juicer, you wasted and burnt that money in labor over a couple of months. And that juicer is going to last you years and years and years. And so now that money and labor is gone. Not to mention a lot of things about product yield as well and quality of the product, because there's money to be saved not only in labor, but yield. So you have to think about those things when you're making these kinds of decisions. And hopefully you'll be inspired to make the investment up front, realizing that in the long term, it's going to pay itself off.